All right, we got ourselves an XLR Micro Boost, a toy hauler. We're going to walk through. Let's jump right into it.
So this is a 2022, and you're going to ask yourself, well, Dalton, why are we showing a 2022? Well, the reason being the factory is running a flash sale right now. You're going to save yourself $1,500 on everything on the lot, and you're going to say, again, anything on the lot, yep, 2022, 2023. But this is a 2022 XLR Micro Boost 27 LRLE.
Okay.
So awesome pass-through storage up here, and you also see the nice big inverter, but awesome storage up there, and two dual entrances, one up here to the main living area and then one back there to the garage.
Yep.
As well as the I call it the mullet, business in the front, party in the back. So that big party deck back there. So
and a huge awning.
Yep.
Almost the length of the thing.
Nice under awning presence there with your JBL speakers, TV mount, and like you said, huge awning.
Yeah.
Keep everything nice and dry.
All right, let's take a look inside.
Absolutely.
Boom. All right, so your living space, it looks decent sized with knowing that there's a garage on the back of the place.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So queen size bed there, and of course there is no storage that you can get to from inside of here, but nice big pass-through storage there. Cabinetry above, cabinetry beside with a nice little mirror.
Yeah.
But solar controller there right next to the door, and nice reclining seats, so all three of these recline. But awesome little area here.
Yeah. So let's talk about the kitchen. You got everything you need, including a bit of an oven. Cooking fish sticks, pizza rolls, cookies.
I cook my pizza rolls in the microwave.
And it's faster. You get to them quicker. Yeah. They're a little chewier in the microwave, but I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing.
No.
You can crisp them up pretty good in the oven, but if you want them now. And what's the secret? Do you know what the secret is to eating them faster? Just doing it?
Yeah.
But then you blister your mouth.
Yeah.
The secret is you got to bite off not just one corner to be able to blow into it, but you need that air to go out. So you have to bite out the other corner and blow into one side, and it'll kind of puff up like this and cools it off as the hot air leaves.
Oh, see, I just throw the whole thing
just
in
go
there.
for it?
Yeah, especially when it's cold out like today. You throw the whole thing in there when you go, you're like a dragon, you're puffing smoke.
Actually, I kind of want to do that right now with it being May and the weather out there the way it is. Yeah. All right, so what were we talking about? Oh, we were talking about the RV.
Yep.
You got everything you need. Sink, lots of counter space. When you put the top down over the 3-burner stove top, you got more counter space. Counter space back here. Decent sized fridge.
12 volt tube.
12 volt?
Yep,
Okay.
runs off the battery and everything. So.
Nice.
TV mount, and of course this TV mount, this is an awesome little display, which I'm going to try not to break. That slides right on that TV mount that's on the outside there. So
Yeah.
nice and easy to use, and as long as you line up the holes, it slides right back on there.
That's great.
So, and
I don't
again,
think we've ever taken that off.
yeah, no TV
people.
in there, so you can just go buy your own smart TV from Walmart.
Yeah. A little bit of a fireplace, which actually puts out heat without burning yourself if you touch it.
Yep, absolutely. So today, it's what, 45 degrees out?
Yeah.
I wouldn't justify turning the furnace on. I just turn that on, and it will run you out of this little camper. So.
Yeah. Yep. So we covered that. We covered this out here. Let's talk about the bathroom on our way to the garage.
I'll step through and I'll let you talk about it because they always like putting you in the shower.
That's true. I haven't been in many showers yet today. So you got a good sized sink with a lot of counter space and your medicine cabinet. Storage underneath. Little space there for some towels and whatever else you need to put in there. If you want to come through, and I'll stand in here. The reason I stand in here, I know you guys tease me a lot because I stand in a lot of showers, although like I said, I haven't a bunch today. This is to give you an idea of how tall the shower is. I'm 6 foot tall. And I got plenty of room. If you're much taller than me, there's still room here because of the skylight. Or the what is it called? Skylight. Skylight. Is that right? Sun. Yeah, we'll go with skylight. And then, so yeah, here you are. You take your shower in here like you normally would. Your foot flush pedal down, or foot flush toilet down here. Looks like you've got control of the gas water heater in here too. That's what this is on the thing. Cool. And here's the party. This is where you either keep your toys, or we've heard some crazy things. People turn this back space into an aviary. Like the guy kept his birds back here.
toys for motorcycles, basically anything you want to haul with you. The aviary, painting rooms, kids rooms. Know people that live in them, and they'll turn this into like a kids area. I've seen people put basically like a tent area on the back, so that way it's basically an extended 3-season room there.
Okay.
Basically think of this as a just an extra room, and then that back area back there, you can make that an extra room as well. So
Yeah.
That's why I call it the mullet of campers. Toy haulers are, because they're business in the front, party in the back. You can do almost whatever you want with these things.
Yeah, and it's so stinking cool. I love these
Yep.
party decks back here.
Of course, you got a queen size bed here, and if you want to go ahead and just pull down as hard as you can there, it should
pull straight
go
down?
Yeah, it should.
Oh yeah.
Yep, and I'll push. Come on.
Oh, okay. I was afraid to do too much. Okay, yeah. Wow, that was easy.
Yep.
I made it look a lot more difficult than it actually was.
Yeah, he's got to work on his upper body
I
strength
do.
a little bit there.
Oh
but-
my gosh.
Yep, queen size bed there, and of course these 2 mattresses. As soon as we put that table back, basically bunk bed style queen beds for extra sleeping, and it does have a screen that goes over that back wall there, so that way you can keep all the bugs and stuff out. Dual AC on this unit, so that way you can keep this area air conditioned as well. There's trap downs all the way through here, so that way you can secure any kind of toy you want to take with you. But yeah.
A lot of people getting toy haulers without toys necessarily.
Yeah.
Just for the extra space and the extra rugged space for whatever reason. Like you said, a kid's play area. Let them have a ball back here. You're not going to mess up the floors or anything?
No, I was just talking to a young lady earlier today, and that's exactly what she's doing with it. She's going to basically travel the country in the camper throughout the summer. Then when school season comes, they're going to come back, put it on their property, and they're going to live in it. So
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Very cool. All right, so toy haulers. Where do you get toy haulers? RV Wholesalers. Get hold of us. We'll tell you all about your options.